In today's video, I will show you on how to buy a custom domain on Namecheap. So, dapat meron ka ng Namecheap na account. Free lang po ang pag-create ng account sa Namecheap. And then, you need to add your credit card information dito sa Namecheap. Then, you need to log into your Namecheap account. So, once na nakapag-login ka na sa iyong Namecheap account, punta ka dito sa iyong dashboard. And here, dito sa top menu, makikita mo itong domains. So, dito, i-click mo itong domain name search. So, dapat meron ka nang naisip na domain. And then, dito sa search for a domain, dito natin ilalagay yung domain name. So, i-check muna natin kung available yung domain name na iniisip mo. So, for example, this one is the domain name ng aking client. So, after that na ma-enter mo dito yung domain name mo, i-click mo itong search. So, as you can see here, marami siyang search results. May .com, energy, or .bot, .net. But what I really recommend is that kunin mo po yung extension na .com. Kasi kapag sinasabi natin website, common na po talaga na yung extension niya is .com or yung .commercial. So, as long as possible, kunin mo po yung .com. So, gaya nito, since available naman po yung .com, so, i-click ko tong add to cart. Paano mong malalaman if available siya? Kapag may ganito guys na button na add to cart, so available yan. Pag hindi yan available, may nakalagay dito na unavailable or taken na po yung website na yon. So just in case na taken na po ang website na yon, then you need to think of another website na hindi pa taken. So, you can choose either .com or .net. Pero, advice ko talaga na .com yung kunin mo. So, i-click mo na itong add to cart button. And then, makita mo itong checkout button sa bandang ilalim. I-click mo lang ito. So, under domain registration, make sure na tama yung spelling ng website and then .com, yung extension niya. And then, yung validity niya is 1 year. You can choose naman up to ilang years ang gusto mo. But then for this one, I prefer the 1 year lang and then auto-renew. And then under privacy and uptime protection, meron tayong domain privacy, 1 year subscription din. Dapat enable and then auto-renew and forever free naman po yan. So, just let it be. So, dalawa lang dapat yung nasa cart mo. Subtotal niya is nasa mga $10. If this is your first time na bibili ng domain sa Namecheap, magkakaroon ka po ng promo code. I-check mo lang doon sa pinaka-homepage ng website. So, once everything is done, i-click mo itong confirm order. And then, under the order review, please check again the details if tama po lahat. Kapag okay na yan, i-click mo itong pay now. So, we are processing your order. Thank you for your purchase. We are successfully bought the domain. By the way guys, just in case na you were not able to buy your custom domain and professional email at your end for any reason, just for example na wala kang credit card, in this case, you can send me a message or you can email me. So, ang mangyayari niyan is ako po yung bibili ng domain mo at saka professional email using my own Namecheap account. But then, meron po tayong fee na babayaran. So, just contact me for this one, okay?